Real quick, you guys, before we get into the short, I wanted to sort of come on and sort of intro and give a brief little lowdown as to why I decided to release this short on this channel. And to that end, I have sort of 4 reasons that I want to break down real quick. Number one, this short sort of serves as a big, giant example of resource-based filmmaking. We had 2 actors. One of my actors let us use her house, Amanda, thank you. And my friend Mike wanted to test out his new A7S2. And so those are all the things that we used in this short. There's not really a lot beyond that. Number 2 is sort of responsibility. I wanted to make sure that this got out there. I didn't want it to be something that languished on my hard drive, but that's something that I'll talk about later on in this series. Number 3 is for art's sake. I had a lot of feelings about the topic sort of addressed in this short film, and I wanted to make sure that I got it out there in a way that could be both poignant and short. Number 4 is this short sort of embodies everything that I've been talking about on this channel. We made this thing for about $15 in 4 hours, and we managed to make something that was pretty decent. And so that's what I want to, mostly get out to you guys, is that it doesn't take much. It doesn't take a lot of money. It doesn't take a lot of equipment. You can take one camera, a few supplies and $15 and make yourself a pretty decent short film or pretty decent piece of art. I'll be back next week to talk more in depth about the short in our first interview for this channel, and I'm thinking of doing a deep dive as to how we made this short for a future episode. But for now, I hope you guys enjoy the film, and I've got work to do. I'll see you next week.
Yeah, you love it, Qui-Gon Jinn.
Hey, oh, okay, hold on. Okay, hit me with it.
You mean just give it to you, unfiltered?
Just be honest.
Well,
No, kind, but honest.
Okay. Well, honestly, I think it's the best thing I've ever read of yours.
Oh, okay.
But
Oh, God, there's the but. No, you know, fuck it. You said it was good. I'm good with that.
this is filthy.
In what way?
It makes 50 Shades of Grey look like the Cat in the Hat.
Okay, there was actually some pretty sick shit in Dr.
Whoa,
Seuss.
whoa. Where did this even come from? I've taken how many writing classes with you? This is totally different. Annie.
Just want to write about something different.
So you wrote about an orgy. Is this from personal experience?
Wow.
I'm not allowed to ask questions.
No, I asked you to read it, not grill me on my personal sexual history.
So why did you ask me to read?
You wanna smoke some weed? Okay. So I don't want you to take this the wrong way,
Oh shit.
but I wanted a guy's opinion on the book.
Why would I take it the wrong way?
I wanted the opinion of a guy who wouldn't try to fuck me.
What the fuck?
Come on. I mean, I let you read it, and you're like, so, did you bang all the people?
I said that because you only write about what you know.
Yeah.
You've written about your divorce, you've written about your kids.
And now you're worried I'm a secret orgy person.
Are you a secret orgy person?
Shut up! No! Asshole.
Why did you think that I wouldn't try to fuck you? You put it out there.
Okay, I've seen the girls you sleep with.
You've seen one girl.
Two.
Wait, Layla. Who was the second?
Katrina.
Oh, that's right. Wow. But you know, they're not that similar.
Okay, David, I don't want to go down this road with you. Okay?
When in our relationship did I all of a sudden become the human equivalent of furniture?
Jesus Christ, it was a compliment.
How was that a compliment?
Okay, let me get this straight. So, in me assuming that you wouldn't try to fuck me, that somehow strips you of some badge of manhood of yours.
Essentially. But you can't pile on all this feminist hoo-ha. Even if it wasn't your intention, that's what you did. But that begs the question of why?
Oh my God!
I'm just being honest.
So am I. All right, this piece is really important to me. And you're making it about your dick. Don't fucking laugh.
You know what? I just think you're really pretty.
Jesus Christ. Oh my God.
So that's it, I guess.
It's getting really late.
I get it. I get it. Your kids are coming home. Why don't you read them this lovely bedtime story?
Are you fucking kidding me?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. That was...
Yeah. God. I know you are.